Tim with Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio, and welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. So the tools you'll need for this repair are a tack puller or common screwdriver, a Phillips bit, preferably one with a ratchet so that you can get in the tight spot, and some thread locker to make sure the bolt stays tight. Alright, we're on a Whirlpool microwave and oven combo, and you can see that the handle has come halfway off. So what we're going to do is take off this cover to gain access to that handle portion and tighten it back up. There are two hidden covers right here, so we'll take a little tack puller and remove those. And behind there are just some Phillips screws. So we'll take those off. Now with those off, we should have enough room to get at our screw here. Okay, so this is the portion of the handle that came loose, and to avoid that we do have a steel insert in here, so we're just going to put a little Loctite on this bolt, and we'll take the other one loose as well just to make sure it doesn't come loose again. This is the red Loctite. It's a good solid product, and we'll get that right back in there. And we'll finish tightening that up. Now we're just going to come over to this side. On our handle, this side is the one that was loose, and we put some Loctite on there and tighten it down. But we're just going to, since we're already in here, go ahead and put some Loctite on both sides and make sure that this doesn't happen to the other side as well. And tighten this back down. Okay, so now we're just going to line up the cover here and replace our Phillips screw in this hole. Get that tight and put our cover back on. And we'll do the same on this side. And our repair is complete. That handle should not come off ever again. Thank you for watching another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.